I'm just excited to highlight because the work that they do, the quality that you'll find is second to none, and that's really hard to come across usually. And so I'm excited to share that with you. I'm glad that I can highlight those things. You probably have things in your houses that you can use, things that you can repurpose. You might even have dishes and things that you're holding on to specifically for Thanksgiving, which I don't encourage, but if you do, make sure you break them out. And if you don't break them out, it's time to do away with them. But from a design perspective, let's talk about that tablescape and setup and how we can make things happen. Hello, and welcome back to my channel, or should I say hola? Hola, soy Panameña, for those of you who didn't watch the video where I talked about that, which just means I'm Panamanian. Bienvenidos a la familia, welcome to the family. I'm so glad to have you back. My name is Green Shareen. You can find me on Instagram at Green Shareen. I'm an interior designer in New York City, and in this video, we are going to be talking about shopping black, things we're thankful for. So as you might know, I am a minimalist. I do not embrace overindulging in shopping or having numerous items and things like that because it's just more stuff for you to have to take care of, and who wants to take care of more stuff. But when I am making purchasing decisions, they are conscientious ones. So I figured I would spend some time highlighting some things that I would do around the holidays, maybe showcasing some things that are happening in the stores, and showing you what I think would be the best way to make this particular Thanksgiving a day that you can be thankful for and appreciate with your family. Venturing out into all these different places gives me an opportunity to see what's going on. I mean, maybe we should just go online. Maybe we should just go online and see what's out there, because we can't really spend that much time outside. So I'll just show you some of my favorite places online. Cool? Cool. We're gonna kick off with one of my favorites. This is the Everyday Print Company. These prints are so incredible and can be customized in a lot of varying ways. I actually used this girlfriend print in a recent project. If you saw the hair salon launch that was done, and I have my eye on this print right here because you can even customize the nameplate to say what you want and the skin tones. I think this makes a great gift, and it's something that I'm going to be getting a pretty large size of and placing in my own office. AVI Wellness Shop. This is the instructor that I told you about before. I actually work out with them Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and they recently came out with this whole new amazing line of sportswear and hoodies and bracelets. And if you take a look at this kaleidoscope set, I mean, really? And look at the prices. That's like half Lululemon prices. That's crazy, but they look amazing. They feel amazing. They make fantastic gifts. If not, you can always gift people actual attendance to the workout class. Or if they're a jewelry person, there's an assorted set of jewelry that I also really like. On to Stella and Throne Soapery. This company is amazing. Another wonderfully made product where you can see the ingredients in here. Some of my favorite is the Sweet Orange and Yuzu soap that I use on my face. There are different body oils that are all handmade. The owner actually does classes and shows you how to make stuff as well online, which is impeccable. All of the ingredients are natural, they're a sustainable brand, and you can find things like turmeric sugar scrubs and so forth. Definitely check them out. This is the Deniston House. It's unfortunate right now because a lot of their product is sold out, but I just had to show you the assorted housewares and tablewares and other that is available here, or even these tote bags that are incredible and can be used as baskets within the home as well. Don't always think about things in their totally practical use. There can always be different uses for things. This large floor basket is fun. I could totally see that for magazines or even logs next to a fireplace. And it just goes on and on with fun trinkets and bits, and I'd encourage you to check it out. Joanna Howard Home is a company that makes, well, first of all, let's talk about how they were on Oprah's favorite things list, and they also have been in Architectural Digest, but this is a Black-owned company that has these throws and pillows that are just the softest things you have ever felt. They are mostly alpaca, and some of their pieces have cotton in it or nylon and different blends. My favorite are these cozy throws. This particular color here gives me life. I just think it is so much fun. There is a discount code out there right now, and this is also a sustainable company. Highly, highly recommend. This would make wonderful gifts. This is the Reflection Design Company. This is a new brand to me, but I really love the way that they use color and the way that they use pattern and infuse it in all of their products. I've had several clients that were looking for a bohemian style as of late, and you could never go wrong with some coasters. These coasters even have their own holders that you can utilize. The mudcloth placemat is super fun. That would go great even in a minimalist space, or this filled with gratitude mug is a fun piece that can be used in the space. Highly encourage you to check it out. They don't just do tableware, they actually have a plethora of items. If you head over into their shop area, and you'll see that they have bags and accessories, they have art, they have scarves, and they have fabric, so you can customize and make your own, as I like to make my own stuff depending on what's best for the client. Speaking of the clients, some of us have kids, some of the clients have kids, and instead of having toys all over the place, this is a really fun way to integrate your child into your design. Getting a puzzle that are so artistically cute, like look at these. You can pick over various age ranges because they have pieces from 24 pieces all the way to 100-piece set. This is a 100-piece set that caught my eye. In here, it is a girl that's doing some different artistic paintings, and I thought it was fun. If you're enjoying this type of content and want to see more of it, please like, comment, and subscribe so that I know exactly what you would like to see out of this channel. Interior designers are involved with everything. We can do anything from the supporting the architectural work and structures of your home, to the flow of your space and how it works and how it breathes and how it moves, and commercial design and talking about marketing and how that gets you to spend more or feel more comfortable or less comfortable in a space, and how you can adapt those things into your home and your tablescape and the floral arrangement that you choose, or whether or not you even decide to get fresh flowers. I actually got roses just because the other day. Isn't that nice? Aren't some just because flowers really nice? I think so. Anyway, interior design can be infused in all of those different aspects, and I'd love to know what else you would like to see from the channel and what you would like to hear from me. If you watch my videos to the end, you've heard me say it numerous times that I am thankful for you, and I mean that, and that's one of the things that I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You could have been anywhere on YouTube, but you chose to be with me, and I appreciate that. I am thankful for you. And I will see you next time, next Thursday to be exact, unless you want to hang around and watch one of these. You should check this out. If you didn't see this yet, you should check this out. And if you have seen this, you should watch some of the other stuff on my channel.